How do you deal with missing data in Census Bureau datasets? Imagine trying to understand the population of the United States and finding some pieces of the puzzle are missing. That's a common challenge when working with Census Bureau data. But don't worry, there are clear ways to handle this. When the Census Bureau finds gaps in its data, it uses a mix of proven methods to fill in or adjust for missing information. The first step is to try to get the missing data directly from people or organizations. They do this through online surveys, phone calls, mail-in forms, and even visiting households that haven't responded. If these efforts don't fill all the gaps, the Bureau then turns to other government records like Social Security or tax data to supplement what's missing. When data still aren't available, the Bureau uses statistical techniques to make educated guesses. One common method is called editing. This involves checking responses for errors or inconsistencies by comparing answers within a household or with similar households. If something doesn't match up, it's flagged for correction. Another technique is characteristic imputation. Here, missing details about a person or household are filled in using information from previous surveys, nearby households, or related government records. This can include answering questions about age, income, or housing type. There's also hot deck imputation, which assigns missing data by borrowing from similar respondents in the same geographic area. This helps keep local patterns consistent. These methods are applied after the total population counts are finalized, so they don't change the official numbers but improve the detail and accuracy of demographic information. The Census Bureau keeps all data confidential and only uses these techniques for statistical purposes, never to identify individuals. They generally avoid deleting cases with missing data because that can bias results or reduce the usefulness of the data. Instead, they focus on filling gaps with the best available information and applying statistical methods that keep the data reliable. This approach ensures that researchers and policymakers can trust the demographic pictures the Census Bureau provides, even when some data points are missing. It's a careful balance of direct collection, administrative records, and smart statistical guesses that keeps the data as complete and accurate as possible.